In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is bluebeam.com. From in there, click on this Get Started option that will appear in order to create an account, or you can also click on this Try It Free to get 14 days of free trial. Once you're done with that, just head over and click on this Buy Now if you want to get it and buy it. If you already have access, proceed to click on this Login and then log in directly into your Bluebeam. So on my case, I already installed the application and here it is right there. So to customize your keyboard shortcuts, you actually need to edit it directly into the app. So go over to the Revu menu, here it is, and from in there, click on this keyboard shortcuts. Now this should be able to open a window and here we can see the functions. We have markup functions like signature fields, arc, arrows, callouts, and the likes. So for example, let's change right here the cloud option. Let's click onto this right here and then click onto this, remove the shortcut, and then add, for example, P in this case. So as you can see, if a particular shortcut is already assigned to another shortcut, let's rename this right here. So for example, input Q or this case. Here we have the shortcut added. So head over and click on reassign and this should be able to be saved. Once you're done with those, head over and click onto this OK. And this should be able to save it directly into your actual Bluebeam. So onto this part, make sure to save it. And once you're done, you should be able to actually use it directly on your Bluebeam. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.